In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or handling the finances for a larger company, knowing how to efficiently create invoices is crucial for managing your cash flow and keeping your business operations running smoothly. So, let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the home page where you'll see a series of options at the top of the screen. Here, we're going to focus on the Sales tab. So go ahead and click on Sales. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your outgoing invoices and ensure that you're staying on top of your receivables. Now that you're in the Sales section, the next step is to click on Invoices. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your existing invoices, giving you an overview of what's been issued, what's outstanding, and what's been paid. This is a great way to keep track of your business's financial health. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll see an option to Create New Invoice. Click on New Invoice to start drafting your invoice. This is where you can begin to input all the necessary details for the transaction you're billing for. Now, it's time to set up your invoice. You'll need to enter the customer's details, such as their name and contact information. Ensure you have the correct details to avoid any delays in payment. Then you'll specify the items or services provided, including a description, quantity, and price for each. Make sure to include any applicable taxes so the invoice reflects the total amount due accurately. Additionally, Xero allows you to set due dates and terms, which is particularly useful for managing when you expect to be paid. Clearly defined terms can help prevent late payments and ensure you have a steady cash flow. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review the invoice to make sure everything is correct. It's always a good idea to double-check for any typos or errors that could cause confusion later on. After you've verified all the details, click on the Save button. This will store your invoice in the system, and you can choose to either send it immediately or save it for later if needed. Xero also offers options to email the invoice directly to your client, which is a convenient way to ensure prompt delivery. And there you have it. You've successfully created an invoice in Xero. With these steps, you'll be able to streamline your invoicing process, making it easier to manage your business finances efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.